When you're looking to have flawless, glowing skin that gets you noticed everywhere you go, it can be extremely overwhelming with the amount of steps you think you need to take. But in reality, there are only these 3 hidden skin flaws that are holding you back. What you're about to see isn't just another skincare video. It's a proof that you're just 3 simple fixes away from a completely different face. Flaw number 1, hormonal imbalance. Here's something crazy. The average young guy today has testosterone levels that would have been considered clinically low just 20 years ago. Low testosterone wrecks your skin. Oily breakouts, poor healing, dullness. You can reverse it naturally with 2 fixes. First, sunlight therapy. 10 minutes in the morning, another round in the afternoon. This timing spikes hormone production. Second, testosterone-fueled foods. Eggs and organ meats for breakfast, nuts and shellfish for dinner. The result? Balanced oil production, faster healing, and skin that actually looks alive. Second flaw is clogged, dirty pores. Most guys secretly kill their skin with one simple mistake: dirty pores. You wash your face, but if you don't do it right, oil and pollution stay trapped. That leads to blackheads, breakouts, and textured skin. The fix is a 3-step cleansing protocol. Use a gentle cleanser morning and night, never harsh scrubs. Twice a week, use a clay mask to pull deep toxins out of your pores, and always finish with a light moisturizer. Skipping this makes your skin overproduce oil. In just 30 days, this turns your skin from rough and oily to smooth and photogenic. The third flaw is wrong sleeping. If you're not sleeping right, you're literally making yourself uglier every single night. We built a sleep protocol. Sleep on your back with your head slightly elevated to prevent puffiness, keep your room pitch black and cool to maximize repair hormones, and every morning splash your face with cold water to wake up circulation and reduce swelling. This alone makes skin look 2 years younger in under 90 days. So, for now, fix these 3 flaws and watch your skin, your face, and your entire life transform. Drop a comment if you want me to break down the exact daily routine step by step. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more glow-up science. Peace.